Welcome to Damix Nature Channel. Bear garlic Allium ursinum is an edible plant of exceptional medicinal properties and a wide range of effects on the human body. In nutrition, young, fresh leaves are most commonly used, which are harvested before flowering as they are the most effective. It can be dried and used as a seasoning, but due to its thermal ability, it loses its medicinal properties. My recommendation is to use it as a salad, preferably every day with 15 fresh leaves 30 days. Before I start listing benefits, in video description, I will leave recipe on how to make your own tincture. Spectrum of action: lowers blood pressure, reduce the amount of triglycerides and cholesterol, improves circulation, exceptionally effective in preserving the cardiovascular system, helps with colds, has antimicrobial, antiviral, and antibacterial properties, enables the body to cleanse itself of harmful substances, helps with hematomas and wounds that heal slowly, eczema, dermatitis, and especially lichens, prevents platelet aggregation and helps with gastric problems, stimulates the work of the stomach and intestines, effective in treating respiratory system problems, prevents platelet aggregation and helps with gastric problems, helps to expel excess mucus from the lungs, facilitating expectoration and easier breathing. A particularly effective plant that helps alleviate fatigue and exhaustion, but also in the fight against anemia.